You keep hearing about Bitcoin and crypto everywhere. Your friends bring it up, and the news won't shut up about it. How do you get started with Bitcoin? Honestly, it can feel like a closed door of the digital world. Welcome to Reject Regret, where we share practical lessons to build a better tomorrow. In the next few minutes, I'll give you a step by step, simple roadmap for buying your first investment here in the UK. A non negotiable safety map, a buying flow, and the one rule that protects your investment. You will do this on a cryptocurrency exchange, which is basically an online marketplace for digital assets. For beginners, they work like a simple broker, letting you buy crypto directly with pounds. But with so many options, what should a beginner look for? Here's your non negotiable safety checklist. First, is it FCA registered? This is the most important check. Using a firm registered with Financial Conduct Authority for anti-money laundering purposes provides a crucial layer of regulatory oversight. Second, is it easy to use? A complicated trading screen can cause costly mistakes. You want a simple, clear interface. Third, does it support pounds? You must be able to deposit and withdraw using a UK bank account. Fourth, are the fees transparent? You need to understand the full cost, including the trading fees and the spread, which is the difference between the buy and the sell price. And finally, does it have strong security? Two-factor authentication is essential. The exchange should also keep most of its assets in cold storage. Offline wallets safe from hackers. Based on this criteria, platforms like Coinbase are excellent for beginners because of its simple, clear interface. eToro is known for its social and copy trading features, and Kraken is known for its security and lower fees. Once you've picked a platform, it's time to get started. These are the 3 simple steps to follow. Step 1, create your account. Every legitimate UK exchange will require you to complete a Know Your Customer or KYC process. This is a mandatory legal requirement to prevent a financial crime. You will typically need your personal information, a government issued ID like a passport or a driving license, and a selfie to verify it's you who is creating the account. Step 2, deposit your pounds. You can usually add funds with a UK bank transfer or a debit card. It's a good idea to check your bank specific policy before you start, just to avoid any frustration. Step 3, make your first purchase. This part is designed to be as simple as possible. You just need to log into your crypto account, and you will just need to look for the crypto you want to invest, let's say a Bitcoin. So you have to search for Bitcoin or BTC and enter the amount you want to invest. For example, 50 pounds. The next part is crucial. This is where the review screen appears. So it will show you the exchange rate and the total fee breakdown. Review it carefully, and once you're happy with it, click confirm. And here, you have made your first crypto investment. Okay, you have brought your crypto, but the journey isn't over. The next step is the most important for securing your investment. You need to remember the golden rule of this space. Not your keys, not your crypto. Your ownership of crypto is proven by a secret piece of data called private key. When you leave your crypto on an exchange, they will hold that key for you. This is convenient, but it leaves you vulnerable when the exchange gets hacked or goes bust. To take full control, you can move your crypto into a personal wallet where only you control the private keys. This is called self-custody. There are 2 main types of wallets. Hot wallets are software on your phone or your computer. They are always online, making them convenient for frequent transactions, but more vulnerable to online threat. Cold wallets or hardware wallets are physical devices that store your private keys completely offline. By keeping your keys isolated from the internet, they provide the highest level of security and are the gold standard for long-term holding. Transferring your crypto from an exchange to your cold wallet is a critical skill. Because transactions are irreversible, the most important best practice is to always send a tiny test transaction first. Wait for that small amount to arrive safely in your wallet before you send the rest. As your portfolio grows, you can use portfolio tracker like CoinStats or CoinTracker to get a clear overview of all your holdings in one place. And when it's time to sell, the process is just the reverse. You transfer the crypto back to the exchange, sell it for pounds, and withdraw the cash to your verified UK bank account. Buying your first crypto isn't the end, but it is the beginning of an educational and investment journey. This means continuously learning and staying informed. And remember, in the UK, profits from crypto are potentially subject to capital gains tax. So it's your responsibility to keep good records of all your transactions. If this guide gives you clarity, hit the subscribe button for more simple and practical lessons to help you build a better tomorrow. Thank you.